let us see another type of mechanism by which the damaged DNA can be repaired. So this is nucleotide excision repair. So in case of base excision repair, you have seen that the damaged base is removed from the DNA. But here in case of nucleotide excision repair, the whole nucleotide is replaced from the damaged DNA. So in the nucleotide excision repair pathway, the bulky adducts from DNA are removed by excising an oligonucleotide bearing the lesion and replacing with new nucleotide. So where there is a damaged nucleotide present, the oligonucleotide portion, that is not single nucleotide but few nucleotides, are excised, they are cut and removed from the DNA. This repair mechanism excises UV induced cyclobutene butane pyrimidine dimers. So whole this dimer is excised instead of repairing this dimer. And similarly 6,4 photoproducts, damaged bases formed by alkylating agents, and certain type of cross links. So all types of nucleotide damages can be repaired by nucleotide excision repair. The efficiency of repair for different kinds of lesions can vary a lot. In general, there is a direct relationship between the amount of helical distortions produced by the lesions and the efficiency of this repair. So as the number of these lesions are more, the efficiency is good. So this is directly related. The basic nucleotide excision repair pathway is same in all the organisms. It involves following steps which are similar in all the organisms. So the first step is the damage recognition. So first of all, this pathway, this system recognizes the damage, the site where the DNA is damaged. So the second step is an incision in the damaged DNA strand on each side of the lesion. So this is the if this is the DNA strand and the damage is present here. So on either side, on both sides of this lesion, incisions are introduced. And the third step is the excision of the oligonucleotide created by incision. Incision is a simple cut, while excision is the removal of that portion. So this first step, so the third step is the excision of that oligonucleotide portion. In the fourth step, the synthesis of new DNA to replace the excised DNA segment using the undamaged DNA strand as a template. So if this oligonucleotide portion is removed on one strand, the second strand is complete and undamaged. So keeping this undamaged strand as a template, this damaged or this removed portion is synthesized. And finally, the ligation of the remaining nick. Although the basic nucleotide excision repair pathway is similar in all the organisms, there are considerable differences in the proteins that carry out the various steps.